Rear cross traffic alert can help detect cross traffic behind your vehicle. This is especially helpful when backing up out of parking spaces or driveways. In such a situation, it is difficult for the driver to recognize approaching vehicles in time. If turned on in the car settings, the rear cross traffic alert is activated while reversing. The system helps the driver to check the area behind the car. If a vehicle enters the detection area from either side, the driver is warned of possible danger. The blind spot monitoring lights on the screen and on the door mirrors start to flash, and a warning beep is activated. This helps the driver to avoid unexpected collisions when backing up. As you can see, the system is easy to use and a great support in daily traffic.